Hey, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Airtable database to n8n in under 1 minute. Let's go. Alright, first of all, in Airtable you have to go to the top right and click on your account. Once you're there, go to API, and because API has been depreciated since January 2024, you will now have to go to Developer Hub. Once you're there, you will click on Personal Access Tokens, and since I already made one, I will now delete it and make a new one. So click on Create Token, name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it n8n, and it's crucial that you add these 4 scopes: data records read, write, and base schema, schema basis read, and schema basis write. In order to actually connect to a database or table, you'll have to use the URL. So after the first dash, there's a string of text that you need to copy, and that is your base ID. So click on by ID and then paste in that text. Then go back, and after the second dash, there's a second string of text that you also need to copy. That's your table ID. Now you have connected your table, but to be able to actually use data from the table, you will have to go to your date column and type its name. So in my case, it is close date. And then after we have inserted that, if we click on Fetch Test Event, we will get the latest created field. So if we now run a test event, we will get the latest created deal. Well, it was as simple as that. If this video was useful to you, please consider giving me a like and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!